Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make veggie mojito. This is my favorite drink, you all, and trust me, if you're someone like me that doesn't have a sweet tooth, you would totally enjoy this drink. So without messing around, let's get right into the video. Guys, the first thing you want to do is blend or crush your ice. You can always buy blended ice, but when I was making this video, I had ice cubes, so I just placed in the blender and I got my blended ice. Now let me take us through the ingredients needed for this drink. You need lemons, you need lime, you need fresh mint leaves, you need sugar, you need soda water, and of course you need your blended ice. So once we have all of these things ready, we make sure they're properly washed, safe for consumption. The next thing is to get the juice out of the lemons. Once you get the juice out, you remove the seed and you set it aside. Then you take your washed lime and cut like 2 slices, then pour in a cup. So you put the lime slices in the cup and you set the cup aside. Now you take a handful of your fresh mint leaves. It's fresh, guys, and it's washed already. So you just take a handful. There's no required number of leaves, or just once you're satisfied with what you have in your hand, you add it to the lime slices in the cup. Then you mash together with the lime slices. We're doing this so we can get a bit of the juice from the mint leaves. You can just mash for like 30 seconds or 1 minute, and you don't have to, it doesn't require too much strength. Just mash gently. Then once you're happy with what you have, the next step is you adding your lemon. Remember, we've already removed the seed from the lemon juice and it's okay, ready to go. So you add your lemon juice to what you have at the moment. After this, the next step is to add your sugar. You add sugar to taste, guys. If you have a sweet tooth, you can add more spoons, but I actually just added 1 teaspoon. After adding the sugar, then we add our blended or crushed ice. So after adding your blended ice, then our last ingredient is the soda water, and it's actually the one that brings all of this together. You add your soda water, and you need a long spoon, guys, because you're gonna stir and make sure it's all mixed, like it's well mixed. And here you have it, guys, your virgin mojito. But of course, you're gonna make it more beautiful, and you can spice it up. You can add strawberry, you can do whatever you like with it, but trust me, this is refreshing and you are going to enjoy it. You can have this drink with anything, like anything at all. I had mine with fried rice, jollof rice, and chicken. Guys, try making this drink and let me know if you like it in the comment section. But trust me, I believe you're gonna like it, because it's my favorite at the moment, like I said. So please like this video. If you enjoyed this content and you want to come back for more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I love you.